Hey guys, Ron here again. There seems to be quite a bit of chatter on the internet about the Pertronix II and rough idle issues. I had the same rough idle issue with a Pertronix II install on my 1965 Chevy C10 with a straight 6, and I was able to resolve the issue. So let me share with you what I did and where the problem lies. So you can see this hole here is a little bigger than this hole, and this is all the play you get, is to move it back and forth in that little bit of slop. So this opens the gap and this closes the gap, but not by a whole bunch. So the gap between the pickup unit and the wheel is supposed to be between 10 thousandths and 50 thousandths, with the preferred 30 thousandths, and this is a 10 thousandths feeler and it won't fit through there. It's basically less than 10, which is too small, and maybe the problem with our idle. And you can see I had to elongate it quite a bit to get that 30 thousandths clearance. We'll see if that works, if that fixed it. As you can see, with the gap properly set, we got a nice smooth idle. No bumping around on the tack at all. Yeah, just set that gap right and things get better.